Exactly. Yeah. Those rainy periods, that month and a half where it felt like the rain just wouldn't let up. I think we all knew the alternative, and that was going to be that the heat would shoot up. And here we are now with sunshine and really hot conditions, unseasonably warm the past several days, as we've now seen 2 days in a row of 99, almost there at the century mark. This morning starting off warm, humid. You can see on radar not much to see there, as we are keeping our clear sky, and we've been able to dry out from any of that isolated rain yesterday. The folks that got the rain yesterday afternoon, certainly the folks to benefit from slightly cooler temperatures and any break in the heat. Most of us, though, keeping the heat around, and we'll see it again today as we're starting off at 79 from the airport, feeling like 81. Dew point has come down slightly at 68, and so we are seeing our conditions fairly quiet and a little bit more enjoyable as you head out. 70 is pretty common across the board. 73 from Mesquite. Burleson also 71 for you, 72 in McKinney to 71 in Denton. Now, as we move on through the day today, I expect a little different situation because we're not dealing with a nearby complex of storms like we did yesterday. So the cloud cover, it's going to be harder to come by. We're going to see more sun from start to finish, and we're not going to have any problems warming up into the upper 90s with that feels like temperature up to 105 across the area. In addition to that, our air quality, just with these conditions, it's not going to be very good. In fact, if you have any respiratory issues, it's advised that you limit your outdoor activities, especially during the peak hours today. So just keep that in mind. But for our pattern, as we look ahead to the rest of the week, yes, it is going to stay hot through this work week, but we get into the weekend, I still think we're seeing some improvements. That's as that ridge kind of retreats back to the southwest. It does allow for a slight dip in the jet stream, and it's enough to pull in this disturbance from the Gulf that it is still expected to strengthen over the next several days and provide a soaking rain there across the coast, probably more so Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. But for us, it will give us a little bit more cloud cover, and I think temperatures come down ever so slightly, although we're still going to be talking 90s even as we head into early next week.